Hello friends, welcome to our channel Nutshell School. Today we are going to talk about health benefits of golden milk and steps to prepare it easily at home. Indians, especially those from North India, at cold weather almost traditionally consume hot golden milk. The delectable drink is named so since its colors give an impact of dissolved golden in milk if prepared properly. Grounded pure turmeric contains powerful antioxidant curcumin, which when mixed up with the goodness of milk creates a delicious and healthy bright yellow beverage best to enjoy during winters. The soothing warmness will start to show its effect on patients suffering from flu right at the time it is being enjoyed. Sore throat, running nose, and body ache will start to relieve soon afterwards. Besides being a flu killer, turmeric milk is also beneficial for sprains and joint inflammation, diabetes, heart health, and stimulating the brain. It is also good for skin and bones. Turmeric milk is also known to improve the mood as the curcumin acts similarly to antidepressant in case studies. Number 1. Purifies blood. One of the main benefits of turmeric milk is that it purifies the blood. Having this milk can help boost the blood circulation and cleanse the blood vessels and lymphatic system from all impurities. Number 2. Prevent cancer. Curcumin in turmeric is found to be effective in killing cancer cells and limiting their abilities to spread and damage the DNA. Having turmeric milk regularly can help prevent cancer growth in the initial stages. Number 3. Promotes digestion. Anti-inflammatory property present in turmeric milk help manage digestive issue by promoting digestion, preventing stomach ulcers and diarrhea. Bloating, gas, heartburns, and other gastrointestinal infection can also be treated with a cup of milk with turmeric every day. Number 4. Improves respiratory health. The antispasmodic property of the turmeric milk benefits the woman by easing the menstrual pain and normalizing the menstrual cycle. In addition to this, turmeric milk is also said to be beneficial in leukorrhea, endometriosis, fibroids, and for women with hormonal imbalance. Having this golden milk benefits the woman of all ages and boosts the female's reproductive health. Number 5. Remedy for cough and cold. Due to antiviral and antibacterial properties, turmeric milk is an effective remedy for cold and cough and relieves sore throat. Having warm turmeric milk increases the mucus production, which flushes out the microbes from the respiration tract. Steps to prepare turmeric milk. Golden milk is easy to make at home. For a single serving of golden milk or about 1 cup, simply follow this recipe. Ingredients: half cup of milk, 1 tablespoon of turmeric, 1 small piece of grated ginger or half tablespoon of ginger powder, half tablespoon of cinnamon powder, 1 pinch of grounded black pepper, 1 tablespoon of honey or maple syrup. Directions: to make the gold milk, simply mix all ingredients in a small saucepan or pot and bring to a boil. Reduce the heat and simmer for about 10 minutes or until fragrant and flavorful. Stain the drink through a fine strainer into a mug and top with a pinch of cinnamon. Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Thank you.